Greetings. Today is Monday, January 13th. And before I start, let me go off with this disclaimer. Any comment, statement, or any verbiage stated in this recorded webinar should not be taken as an order to enter trades, nor should it be considered as trading advice. This recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only to illustrate how we trade DTA's Congressive System. Any past performance of DTA's Congressive System is not indicative of future results. Once again, this recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only, and I must emphasize that I am neither a licensed nor professional trading advisor. I am merely a retail trader like everyone else. And as you can see, I am in a trade right now. I basically had this pre-market trade. Before we go on, here's the economic calendar. Nothing really going on there, as you can see. So with that said, here's my chart. And that's the reason why I took this trade. I had this is my third trade, I think. I've been trading since pre-market. I would say pre-market, most of the pre-market trades. And the reason I took this trade is basically it's correcting. So I am at this trade right now. I'll show you my naked chart if I can find it here. Hold on. Let me see if I can find it. Naked chart. Here we are. So there it is. As you can see, we have an upward trend. I think what we're doing here is now it looks like it's going to try to hit this this low here. It's going to retest this not mid band. What's a VWAP, and hopefully it's going to get down to here, right around 3270, 75, around there. Since you see it hit the plus two deviation, it might try to hit down here. So that's what we're looking at. At least that's what I'm looking at right now. So let me put this back into here. And this webinar is going to last maybe an hour at the most. But before I say anything, Taal volcano erupted. So right now we had some volcanic ash here. We're like close to an hour and a half away from Taal volcano. So we have some volcanic ash over the weekend. Today wasn't as bad as last night or yesterday. So hopefully it subsides. Again, prayers. I'm praying. So whatever God's will is, that's just praying that the Taal volcano will subside. So that said, let me put this on mute, and I will talk to you guys later. Again, this should last maybe an hour. Hopefully I can get my profit goal right now. And I think right now I'm down. What am I now? I'll show it later once I finish this trade here. Okay. So let me put this on mute. I'll talk to you guys later. So right now I'm 31.37, and I had, how many trades was that? My third. Let me see here. One, two. That was my third trade. So we'll see what's going to go on with this one. Let me see here. I'm gonna do one more trade if I can get a good setup here. Okay, let me put this in hold. Let me put this in mute, I should say. So I should be done for the day here. This is my trade. Get this out of the way. I have 4 trades. 1, 2, 3, 4 trades. So I made my daily profit goal, so it's $55. Like I said, if you can make this consistently, I tell my students, if you can make, especially with a small account, you can do consistently run at least 40, between let's say $40 to $50 consistently. You'll eventually build up your account. So with this net 55, I will take that now. So we have some erratic behavior going on here. I have no idea what's going on. There might be a bit of a tweet, but done with the market within 30 minutes. In fact, within 15 minutes, those 2 trades already made my day. Like for example, like this right here, when I got in right here, that was already okay. So this one trade right here was around 20. It's or over 22. So basically, since I took this as a pre-market trade right here, again, my goal, excuse me, is to make consistently and at least between $40 to $50 with this 3 contracts on a small account, 400 on micro e-minis as well, the micros. Eventually I'll be how can I say this, increasing my contracts once I hit, I think, 600 something on my account. If you can see right now, my account, like I showed on my website, it's around, or a little over, close to 600, a little over 500 right now. Let me see if I can bring it up here. Hold on. Let me see. Once I get my statement, yeah, it's over 600 now. So maybe one more day. If I make a profit though tomorrow, then I will definitely start trading. Increase my contracts to 4. Okay, so there. I'm around 641. That's my small account. So with that said, I will talk to you guys tomorrow. In fact, again, it depends on. I'll be trading late since I will be doing a webinar with my DTA students tomorrow, a live webinar. So that's on Tuesday. So most likely I will start trading late. So hopefully I can make some profit on that one. Talk to you guys tomorrow. You guys here in the Philippines, take care. Get your filter masks on, because those minute volcanic ash can get in your lungs. So make sure that you have an adequate filter mask. I was walking there in BGC today with a mask on, but I can't find what we call an N95 mask, so I had to improvise. So that said, talk to you guys tomorrow, and everyone here in the Philippines, God bless. Continue praying regarding Taal volcano. Okay, take care. Bye bye.